How we manufacture custom planners. Lion Paper OEM production tour. A planner is more than just a notebook. It's a time manager and a brand messenger. Today, follow Lion Paper behind the scenes to see how a custom planner is created from idea to delivery. Part 1. Product specifications and customization. Every custom order begins with an in-depth communication between our team and the client. We clarify the intended use target audience and market positioning of the planner. Clients choose from a wide range of materials: PU leather, linen fabric, or specialty paper covers. Binding methods like wire-glued or stitched spines are all available. We also provide various cover finishes such as gold foil, embossing, or spotting UV. Part 2. Design and sample confirmation. Our in-house design team works with clients to finalize the cover artwork and page layouts. We create real physical samples with your chosen specifications. Sampling takes just 5 to 7 days, and we ship it globally for approval. With samples confirmed, we're ready to bring your vision to life. Part 3. Mass production. We start with cover production, printing, lamination foil stamping, and surface treatment. Inner pages are printed using high-speed machines for clarity and consistency. Each sheet is trimmed, sorted, and collated with precision. Then the planners are bounded according to your chosen method: wire, glue, or sewn. Our factories in China and Cambodia ensure larger scale output with reliable speed. Our process combines automation with skilled craftsmanship to meet diverse customer needs. Part 4. Quality inspection. Before shipment, each order undergoes rigorous quality checks. We inspect for color accuracy, correct pagination, material defects, and overall finish. Our goal is simple: flawless delivery every time. Part 5. Packaging and delivery. Finished products are carefully packed, individually or in bulk as required. We handle labeling, palletizing, container loading, and international logistics. From Amazon sellers to global brands, our delivery is timely and reliable. Final message: every planner reflects our dedication to craftsmanship, quality, and customer value. Partner with Lion Paper to create your own custom stationery that speaks for your brand.